Smartwatches don't have to have touchscreens. They don't have to be hybrids. Casio's going in a very different direction with its connected watches. This is the Rangeman. It's the GPW-B1000 to give it its full name. And it's the latest in a family of connected watches from Casio. We've already looked at the Gravity Master. This is designed for hikers and people who go out into nature and do I want to say long walks, but it's significantly more than that. What they want would be GPS on a watch without the hideousness of the short battery life. This is the world's first solar-powered GPS watch with smartwatch connectivity. So this connects to your phone, but the cool part is you don't have to look at your phone to know where you want to go. Now, before we go into it too much further, this isn't a watch that you're going to use for navigating to work, and it's not one that's going to show you where the shops are. This is designed to get you from place A to place B in the most sensible way when place A and place B aren't connected by roads, they're connected by desert or forest or whatever. So the idea being, when you set up on the connected app two different places, the screen will show you the direction that you need to go in, the general direction. It won't say left at the second tree in the forest. It will say you want to go left or right all of the time until you get to where you're going. And it's a really interesting way of navigation. And it does this using full GPS. There's GPS in the watch. We're inside a building, so it's not going to connect here. It's solar powered too, so you're not going to have to worry about it running down after a day, because if you're out in the sunlight, you're going to get GPS constantly using this solar powered ring here. Even if you don't, Casio's done a really cool thing and put in wireless charging. You get a plinth with the watch which fits underneath, and that will charge your watch up to full in about 5 hours. So even if you're navigating in the densest forests, you're still going to have connectivity as long as you've got some sort of power source. Really good idea. So the key with a lot of smartwatches is operation. Sometimes they can be a little bit complicated, sometimes they're not complicated enough. For example, a regular hybrid watch. We're going to take this off and show you exactly how it works. You can have a look at the size of it. First, this is a regular size for G-Shock's Master G series, so very similar to their Mudmaster and Gravity Master size of watch. It is quite a large watch, as you can see, but it's not heavy, it's actually not Hungarian. Once you wear it for a while, you tend to forget it's there. When we take it off, you can have a look at some of the cool details. This is a carbon fibre reinforced strap, and you can get the carbon fibre effect down there. Really love that. So let's have a look at the operation here. There's two buttons on this side. The bottom one will adjust all of the different modes. Now, this isn't a touch screen. You use this twisting crown here to go through the different options, and we'll select tide and moon there, and you push it to set that feature. Trust me to pick one that needs the app. Let's go to a different one. So there you have that. And it's just a few button presses to go back to the main menu. The top button here changes the display. You can have, as we were having there, which actually shows you your map details, you can have something very different too. Here you can have barometer or sunrise details or your world time. Look at this. Sets that. We go back to the main screen and it gives you sunrise and sunset, and because it's a GPS watch, that's done by location. Really nice. And as you can see, the display is incredibly easy to see. You're not going to have a problem seeing this in broad daylight, and there's a very effective lamp for low light. With the app, if you look into there, you'll see some of our screenshots. You'll see that there's a mapping system, so you can plot in your A to B points, and it also shows you a 3D map of where you're going. It's also a really excellent way of navigating around with this very cool watch. Now, Casio is going to put this on sale at the end of April, between March and April, and it's going to cost $800, and you're going to be able to pre-order it through G-Shock's site before it officially goes on sale. We really like this. It's an interesting variation on smartwatch technology, and Casio is getting only much better at using its apps, and the app is actually very intuitive. So you can read more about this very cool watch on Digital Trends right now.